actually see where I think its seed was.
It's trying.
But you know, peanut season's pretty much over, so I need to get this bed ready. So here's a few that are trying, but they've sprouted way too late in the season. So where we are, we kind of want to aim for around November to start planting, and then anywhere from 120 days later can we actually start harvesting. So I'm already way past the 120 days. I think today is the 17th of March. Oh, the stacks more. The plants that started. Okay, I think that looks like it's it for the peanuts. So another job, I'll thoroughly go and dig. So I will be trying to thoroughly dig through both beds just to make sure I've gotten most of the peanuts, although looking at this yield, I'm really not going to be sad if I get some more volunteer plants next year. So the other thing I wanted to do was the sweet potatoes. They've also been in the beds roughly the same amount of time, and I've had a sneak peek when digging around, and I'm going to be honest, I actually don't think there's any sweet potatoes growing. So if that's the case, I most certainly want them out. I'm so shit scared to go in here. You can't keep doing this. I wanted interesting shots because I can't do that while I'm digging.
Then stop going like this into the camera.
But I always do that.
Yes, and you're putting stuff here which isn't even in the shot. So I've got to get back to get it in the shot. That's what I was trying to tell you over here. You want to go lay these out and get them ready for drying before you start the next bed?
No, I'm going to get this done and then we can do whatever needs to be done. It's behind you that needs to be now. I'll have to get my tools first.
Which side are you starting on?
Oh, are you
here?
Joking me? This bloody eggplant is trying to grow back.
Can it just not?
I'll go to side because this is where we actually planted this slips. I'll just voice over this piece. I need the choppers.
Surely we're going to have at least one sweet potato.
You know how many slips I planted?
I didn't realize how far over the bed it was.
I've already been chopping it back. So, yeah. I've got a feeling there's nothing in here, which is very disappointing. So we've actually spotted our first snake on the property. It was just a green tree snake, but that was enough to give me the absolute creeps. So I'm a bit nervous to kind of just put my hands in here. Although I'm making so much noise, there's nothing in here, I know, but still.
It's like pulling out the whole bed.
We don't have like a fork.
Not a big one. Only a handful.
No, which is that thing. Which does nothing. It made a hell of a lot of roots, and I think that's
Wow.
it. So, yeah. As I said, I don't think we've got anything in here. Can't actually get it out. If I actually thought there was something in here, I wouldn't be using a spade, but I really don't think we've got potatoes. Number one. Number two, we don't have a fork.
That's a lot of roots.
Ugh.
There's like more roots than soil in that
I
bed.
just don't actually understand what's... There's one
Oh,
little
there's
one.
one little baby one.
So now it's like, do we leave it and keep going?
Are they ready or?
Wow, I mean, that's really pathetic. Feeling like for so long.
Oh, we've chopped all these plants now. There's ones on the ends anyway. Yeah, they're trying.
They're trying. So far this is like all that's come up, which is not exactly very usable.
It's like close to a joint.
Oh, good Lord.
Wow, that's crazy.
Crazy and it's annoying because they've not done well.
Certainly enjoyed the bed though.
And these were my own homegrown slips, so I'm like, well, I kind of expected them to do a bit better than this. I guess the bed's not deep enough. Maybe we need check that.
That's just all roots.
Well, they don't grow tubers, they grow fat roots. I think that's what, it's its root, like a big fat root.
Oh,
They're not tubers like...
so their roots just didn't get fat.
No, so they're not like potatoes. They're normal. They don't actually make a tuber.
Yeah, so they were in the right time.
Because I planted them at the beginning of November, so
There's something there, an attempt.
do it then.
Oh, you see, like that. Can you not eat that? It's not worth it.
It's probably not worth it, but I'll take it off anyway.
Cannot believe that other plant survived.
I didn't exactly kill it, I just cut it right there.
We were kind of hoping it wouldn't come back.
Yeah, I was hoping this would all smother it.
Surprised their watering system still works.
Yep. Maybe I put too many in this bed, I don't know.
I wonder if we should try these in ground.
I have got some in ground actually,
Awesome.
currently.
Because look at what happened with the pumpkin. Everyone said it won't work, and then it worked amazingly. There, you've got one.
Woohoo! We have one. He's little, but he's one.
Jeez.
So I'm not doing this right.